Good morning, children. Today I am here to discuss and I want to continue that lesson. What is my name? P. Satyavati. So total the 18 parts we completed from this unit. Unit 3 లో నుంచి మనం 18 parts complete చేసుకున్నాం. 18 parts ఒక what is my name మాత్రమే కాదు. All together reading A and reading B and textual grammar and vocabulary అన్ని కలుపుకొని 19 parts వచ్చినాయి. So total గా maybe one more part maybe ఉండొచ్చేమో, so that I cannot give assurance you. So today the 19th part, that means the remaining part of the lesson I want to continue with. If you have a textbook, please open the textbook. Please look into the textbook where I am reading and I am explaining. Right? Shall we start? Page number 105, that is from textbook, page number 105, that is the old textbook. And see the way, what is the page number in, I don't know exactly the page number in the new textbooks. If you have old textbook, page number 105. I am going to start. But still, how to live without knowing one's name? It was all right all these days since the question had not occurred to her. Now it was really hard to live without a name. So this is what in her notion, that means the housewife's notion was, in one's name, without knowing one's name, it is very horrible to live and to live in the society. Even yourself also and myself also, without a name, particular our name, we cannot, and we may survive, but we need some recognition. So in order that, so we need a specific name. With that specific name, people they used to address us, and they may, which means they may call us Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Suresh, or Mr. Karthik, something else. They used to address us. Unless we don't have any proper name. Hey, Babu, come. Which means if anyone calls, who can react? So that is the meaning of the para here that we have to understand. Next para. Just for 2 days, you manage somehow or other. The housewife said to her husband, just for 2 days, manage somehow or other until and unless I go and get my name. Until and unless I go and get my name, at least somehow or some 2 days you can manage yourself. I cannot be a human until and unless I get my name. So that's why I shall find it very difficult to live unless my name. So she pleaded her husband and managed to get out of the house. She requested her husband, please అండి ఏదో విధంగా ఒక 2 days అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి, and meanwhile I will come after I get my name, definitely I will be here. Please at least somehow ఏదో ఒక విధంగా manage 2 days this house. Then here husband reacted, okay, can go. Then and she arrived her maternal home. Then the parents reacted, why dear daughter, have you come so suddenly? Why dear daughter, దాన్ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మనం అర్థం చేసుకునే దాంట్లో చూసుకోవాలంటే, dear daughter, why have you come so suddenly? రైటర్ యొక్క ఇంటెన్షన్ చాలా, అంటే మనం అర్థం చేసుకునే దాంట్లో ఆ వర్డ్స్ని కరెక్ట్గా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుని మనకి మీనింగ్ తెలుస్తుంది. వై డియర్ డాటర్ అని ఇచ్చాడు, దానిని జనరల్గా మనకు అర్థమయ్యే భాషలో సులభమైన పద్ధతిలో ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ ఈజీ లాంగ్వేజ్. డియర్ డాటర్, వై హ్యావ్ యూ కమ్ సో సడన్లీ? Are your children and husband all right? Are they all okay? Is there anything happened? Why you have come so suddenly? Here parents they were very worried about her sudden entry. Why have you come alone? ఒక్కదాని ఎందుకు వచ్చి alone? మాత్రం only single. Why have you come alone? What about your children? What about your husband? Anything happened? Here the parents worried a lot. Then behind the affectionate inquiries of the father and the mother, there was a strain of suspicion. Reflecting immediately the purpose of her visit, the housewife asked her mother most painfully or pitifully, Amma, tell me what is my name? Amma, tell me what is my name? Behind affectionate inquiries of father and mother, there was a strain of suspicion. So here father and mother and they were asking her safety, what happened, why you are so dull. So there are many queries are posed to her because they are very affectionate towards their children, and the same way they are very affectionate about her daughter. But all behind this there was a suspicion, there was a doubt, something is happened wrong. Then finally, here the housewife asked very painfully and pitifully, Amma, see, here when she, maybe the vibration of her vibration of her words from her throat, we can understand whether she was joy or rejoiced or sorrow. So, based on the vibration, we can understand the human psychology also. So here, then she asked her mother, Amma, what is my name? Chala pitiful ga adiginannamata. Then, and the voice of mother said, what is it, Amma? You are our elder daughter. We gave you education up to BA and got you married with 50,000 rupees as a dowry. We took care of you 2 deliveries. Each time we alone bore the expense of the maternity home. You have 2 children. Your husband has a good job. A very nice person too. Your children are well mannered. What happened this month? So here the parents explaining her history, her family history. We have a good and we have educated you up to BA here. She was up to educated graduation, undergraduation, graduation. Graduation is beginning with B, that means a bachelor. A, Bachelor of Art. Undergraduation means, you have to know undergraduation means intermediate. So intermediate ni ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా పిలుస్తారండి, PUC అని కూడా పిలుస్తారు. Okay, so we have made you up to BA, your graduation, and we have made you get married as a 50,000 dowries, and we gave your husband is also very nice person, have a good job, and your children are so good mannered. They behave well. What is Amma? What is this? Why are you asking your name especially? Here mother asked. Then the housewife reacted, Amma, it's not my history. I don't want my history. I know my history, I know my life. But what is my name? It's my name. I want my name. If you know, tell me. I want that. At least tell me if you know. And at least tell me where are my certificates. Let me search my name on the certificates. Then here mother said, I don't know, child, I don't know. Recently we cleaned out the almirah of old papers and files and arranged some glass vase in their place. Amma, I don't know exactly where they were. Recently, we cleaned the almirah, right? And we cleaned all the old papers and files, and we kept somewhere. And in place of that, in place of files, and we place the glass vase. Some important files we kept in the attic, and we shall search for them tomorrow. Now, what is the hurry? And don't worry about them. Take a good bath and have your meal, child, said the housewife's mother. Don't worry about your name. Tomorrow definitely we will search. So now you take a good bath, and you seems to be very tired. Take a good bath and have a good meal. Tomorrow we will search definitely, my dear child. So in such a way, mother was convinced her. The housewife took a good bath and ate her meal, but she could not sleep while scrubbing the house, humming happily, joyously, making mugulu. She had never thought that she would have to face so many difficulties like this by forgetting her own name. So, yes, her mother said, and she took a good bath and ate meal, but she could not sleep. And she never expected in her life, because of her name, forgetting her name, and she would have to face many difficulties she would never expected in her life. Until then, her life was very happy, because she was making mugulu and designs, mopping and cleaning the house and scrubbing happily and joyously, hummingly, and everything is going on happily, unless she doesn't know her name. When the query shook her up, then the problems are started in her life. The difficulties are started. Dawn broke, but the search for the certificate among the files in the attic had not ended. Dawn broke. Broke means began. Dawn, D-A-W-N, dawn, that means sun. And the dawn broke means even until evening, she searched her certificates, but in the attic, but that was not ended. That means that was not completed. Now the housewife asked everyone she met. She asked the trees, the ant-hills, the pond, the school, where she had studied, the college. After all the shouting and the wailing, she met a friend and succeeded in recovering her name. When the dawn broke and the search of the certificates among the files is not ended and is not completed, and she met anyone. When she met anyone, she asked about her name. Even where she went when she was a child, where she went, where she played. Even everywhere she went and she visited, even anthills and the ponds and the trees and everything she visited. Why? Because if she was written her name on any tree, suppose if she was visited that place, she may remember and she may allow her name into her ears. గుర్తొస్తుందేమోనని ఆయా ప్రదేశాలకు వెళ్ళింది. ant hills దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళింది, చెట్లు, చామల, పొట్టలు, so everything, because she lives in the village, countryside. But finally, she met her friend, and she was succeeded in recovering her name. Who is her friend? Let us see the next paragraph. The friend also like her. So the friend here, the housewife met her friend also like her. That means she is also housewife. But And this housewife also and scrubbing, mopping the house, arranging the muglu, but she doesn't take it is a chief mission into her life. అదే ఇక్కడ తేడా. That is the difference between this housewife and that housewife. రెండింటికి తేడా ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడున్న మనం మాట్లాడుకునే హౌస్ వైఫ్ కి తను కలిసిన తన యొక్క ఫ్రెండ్ కి ఇద్దరు కూడా హౌస్ వైఫ్సే. బట్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ హియర్ అవర్ హౌస్ వైఫ్ థాట్ స్క్రబ్బింగ్ జీ ఇస్ చీఫ్ మిషన్ ఇన్ టు హర్ లైఫ్. అంటే ఇల్లుని మాత్రమే క్లీన్ చేసుకుని ఇల్లుని మాత్రమే చక్కబెట్టుకోవడం అనేది తన లైఫ్ లో ఒక ముఖ్య భాగం అనుకుంది. అవర్ హౌస్ వైఫ్. బట్ వేరాజ్ హియర్ మన హౌస్ యొక్క ఫ్రెండ్ యొక్క విషయం ఏంటంటే ఆవిడ కూడా హౌస్ వైఫే, కానీ షీ డజంట్ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ చీఫ్ మిషన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైఫ్ అనుకుంది అంతే. రైట్. And she was also married and a housewife like her, but she had not made swapping the sole purpose of her life. Soul ante a complete and scrubbing only the part of the life anukundi ante. She remembered her name and the names of her friends also. Here this housewife, I mean our housewife's friend, she remembered her name and others friends also. This particular friend recognized her housewife, especially this particular wife recognized her name. Then here when our housewife met her friend and the friend called her in such a way, Sharda, my dear Sharda. Right. Here our housewife name is Sharda. Adendi Sharda, my dear Sharda. Here the housewife's friend is called or addressed when she met her. Sharda, oh my dear Sharda. She shouted and embraced her. గట్టిగా వచ్చి, హే శారదా నువ్వేనా, ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఏమైపోయావు? So she embraced, she hugged. The housewife felt like a person. Whenever this friend addressed her as Sharda, our housewife felt like a person. అప్పుడు మనిషిగా అయిపోయిందండి, అప్పటి వరకు మనిషిగా లేదు. అంటే సో her ideas, her movements and ఆమె యొక్క ఆలోచనలు, నడక, wherever she go, whatever she do, everything about her name itself. ఆమె ఒక మనిషి అనే మాత్రమే మర్చిపోయింది. So until her friend called with her name, she was not, of course she was the flesh of blood, but her activity is not like just like a human being. When she called with her name, so she became a person again. Right? And tomorrow I would like to continue and give a conclusion of this lesson, what happened finally. Okay? Thank you.